Attention meal prep business owners. We are Prepped. We offer software as a service for your meal delivery business. We help you scale into new regions with a branded mobile app and seamlessly outsource your deliveries at no upfront cost to you. Here's a few of the many features our software comes with. Personalized branding. With Prepped, you'll have your own Android, iOS, or web app branded with your logo, ensuring a professional impression. No-cost delivery fulfillment. We provide round-trip deliveries to your customers, ensuring a seamless and satisfying experience at no cost to you. You can finally invest in branded cooler bags to boost your brand. Real-time upgrades. Keep your customers engaged and informed with push notifications during delivery or when meals are ready to be picked up. Nutritional precision. Our platform dynamically updates macronutrients as users adjust their orders, providing accurate nutritional information from FDC. Fitness progress tracking. Enhance customer loyalty and engagement by tracking your clients' fitness milestones and offering them meals accordingly. Flexible subscription model. Tailor subscriptions to meet your clients' needs, whether fixed schedules or on-demand deliveries. Rapid sales closure. Experience an average of 53 seconds to close a sale with our streamlined checkout process, boosting your revenue. Multiple payment options. Offer secure and convenient transactions with credit card, debit card, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. Stripe Connect payouts. Facilitate seamless, secure, and instant payouts by connecting your Stripe account. All-in-one administrator portal. Manage incoming orders, track subscriptions, and generate shopping lists seamlessly. Labels. Effortlessly generate labels. Simplify your order handling with the convenient feature of easily generating and printing labels directly from our platform. Inventory management. Effortlessly manage your inventory to keep track of stock and ensure smooth operations. We're Prepped. Feature rich meal prep software with no upfront costs. You schedule a demo with us on our website, orderprep.com, to learn more about what we do.